at the time of the fast, what we help our guys do, it's right in that week 2 when they go through that 48-hour fast. This is where they create the vision for their life without pornography. And I believe that we want to be connected spiritually with God. We want to be connected spiritually with our Creator when we're mapping out the vision for our life. And there's one other thing that I didn't talk about on the nutrition side of things, kind of from a scientific perspective. So our body has 2 different energy states. There's what's known as glucose, or utilizing stored sugar energy, or you have a state of ketosis. Most people are probably familiar. They've heard something about the ketogenic diet before. All this means is that your body is utilizing fat for its energy source versus carbohydrates. Most people know a carbohydrate pump, like if you go to the gym, you flex, like you kind of get that feeling like in your muscles. Ketosis, or utilizing ketones for energy, that's where your brain wants to operate from. It's its preferred energy state. So by utilizing fasting, and by utilizing intermittent fasting and a long-term fasting, we actually force our guys to get into a state of ketosis. So it's an improved sense of mental clarity. It's an improved sense of focus as they're beginning to kind of map out the vision for what they want to do over the course of the 4 months in our program.